In this video, you will learn how to pay with Klarna on Ticketmaster. Visit the Ticketmaster website or app, then select the event you want to purchase. Browse for concerts, sports, shows, and add your ticket to the cart. Proceed to checkout once you've completed your ticket selection. Make sure you double check the event details, such as the date, the time, seat location, and more. At checkout, choose Klarna as your payment method. This allows you to split the payment or delay it depending on your Klarna options. Log into your Klarna account or create one if you're a new user. Klarna may run a quick eligibility check before approving your plan. Select your preferred payment option. This could be pay now, pay later, or pay in full. Choose the option that fits you best for your budget and even your schedule. Confirm your purchase. Your tickets will be delivered while Klarna manages your payment. You can track and manage payments directly in the Klarna app. Now you know how to pay with Klarna on Ticketmaster. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.